Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video I'm going to be showing you guys the correct way to upload on YouTube to gain more views. If you are uploading on YouTube through your YouTube app, then you are doing it totally wrong, because if you are uploading through your YouTube app through that plus icon, then you won't be able to reach out to the maximum audience. And the reason why you won't be able to reach out to the maximum audience is because when you are uploading through that plus icon on your YouTube app, you won't be able to access all the uploading features there. So you are doing it totally wrong. So on this video I'm going to be showing you guys the correct way to upload, so you can use all the uploading features, so you can reach out to a much more wider audience. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. In order for you to upload correctly, to access all the uploading features, you should always make sure that you come to your YouTube studio and then you upload from your dashboard. So that's the correct way to upload to access all the feature. So all you have to do is click on this icon, which is upload videos. So once you've clicked on that plus icon, you notice that there are a lot of features here. So many features that you can use when uploading. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the features that you guys are normally missing out on this video. Like, first of all, you can see that there is tag over here. And normally tag has to do with anything that describes your video, like something that you know that a lot of people will be searching for when they are looking for your video. So that's what you are going to be typing in here. So you are going to put all your tags over here. Then when you scroll down, you are going to see category. This category has to do with where your videos fall into. If you are making educational videos like how to do stuff, so you should always make sure that you put your videos in how to and style category. So it's very important. You can see that there are a lot of different categories over here. So if you are doing comedy skit, you can also put it on comedy skit. Entertainment should be in entertainment. Gaming should be in gaming. So you should always make sure that you classify your videos in the right category before posting them. Then when you scroll down, you also see the comment section. So if you want your comment to be off, you can turn it off or you can turn it on. Then let's go upward so I can show you guys much more features. And then you see this altered content. Always make sure that it's on no. Always leave it on no. Then also you are going to see this audience, this one that has to do with if your video is made for kids or not made for kids. If you have to put yes, it's made for kids, YouTube is going to be showing your videos to kids, which is not what you want, except you are making a video that is for children. So when you are making videos, make sure it's turned on no, it's not made for kids, so YouTube would know that this video can be shared to pretty much anybody. So always make sure that is on no. And then as you can see, your playlist, always make sure that you are categorizing your videos into different playlists. It's very important, because when you put your video into playlist, YouTube will be able to suggest way more videos that you have on your channel. Like if someone is watching your video, YouTube will be able to suggest another video that is on your playlist for that person to watch next. So it's actually very important to make sure that people will be bench watching your video. So let me say someone is to watch one of your video, the person might end up watching 3 or 4 of your video before they leave your channel. So it's actually important that you are putting your videos on playlist at all times. Always make sure that you are putting your videos on playlist. So let's scroll upwards. This thumbnail section is where you can choose your thumbnail. I've already placed the thumbnail here. Then this is the description section. On description section, you can actually describe your video and you can add timestamps, links, and so many other stuff on your video. Let me tell you guys about timestamps. These timestamps can actually be used to split your video into different chapters. This is actually important, because if you have to split your videos into different chapters, let me say someone comes to your video and is watching your video. Let me say they get bored. Instead of leaving your video, they can just look at the chapters of your video and then they will go to another chapter, or they will go to the chapter that they are looking for. Let me say the part of your video that they are looking for. If you are splitting your video into chapters, so they will be able to go to the part that they are looking for instead of just leaving your videos totally. So it's actually nice to split your videos into chapters. And by the end of this video, if you are watching this video, at the end of this video, I'm going to suggest a video that I already made on my channel on how you can split your video into chapters. So if you don't know how to split your videos into chapters, just wait till the end of this video and then you are going to see the suggested video on how to do that. So another thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is some video elements. So this is where you can actually put your end screen and then you can suggest cards. So you can see over here, you can put end screen over here. If you don't know what end screen is, end screen has to do with like suggesting videos at the end of your video or suggesting a playlist. So this is where you're actually going to be doing that. As you can see, once you click on elements, you see that you can suggest video, you can suggest playlists, and this is actually very important. Always make sure that each and every one of your video is having an end screen, because if you are not putting end screen, once someone finish watching your video, that's it. They are not going to see any suggested video at the end. So if you are using end screen in all your videos, just imagine someone watching like 5 of your videos, and they are always going to be seeing end screen and seeing a lot of video that you are suggesting at the end. It's going to actually lead to them watching way more videos on your channel, which is going to be increasing the views of all your videos. So let me say, for example, someone comes to your channel and his mindset is actually to watch one video. When he's done with that video and he sees an end screen and you are suggesting another video, they will watch that one. So when they are done with that second video and they also see an end screen of you suggesting another video or playlist, they are going to watch that one. So someone that came to your channel to watch one video will end up watching like 4 to 5 videos. So that's actually nice, and the YouTube algorithm is actually going to notice that people are binge watching your video, and then they will start pushing your video out to much more people. So let me quickly show you guys about cards. If you don't know what card is, card has to do with, like, you know those pop-ups that normally shows when you're watching people video. You just see a pop-up telling you to go watch another video. So that's what card is all about, YouTube card. So you can see here, you can add a video, you can add a playlist. So that's how that works. It's actually super simple. When it comes to your visibility on the settings, always make sure it's public. If you are posting it, you want it to be uploaded immediately for everyone to see, just leave it in public. So it's just like that. But if you actually don't want everybody to see it immediately, like you want to keep the video and then you upload it later for everybody to see it, you can actually put it as unlisted or private. Then later on, when you are ready for people to start seeing the video, you go to your settings and then you switch it to public, and then people will start seeing it. Then I haven't told you guys about hashtag. So when you come to your description is where you are going to put your hashtags. So that's where you are going to put your hashtags. So make sure that you are putting your hashtags on description. Don't put it on title. Always make sure that you are putting it on description. So if you are to be doing all these things that I've listed on this video when you're uploading, you are going to observe that your video is actually going to be getting way more views than usual. If you want to learn on how to use accurate tags on your videos, like you want to learn a much more advanced way to use tags on your videos to get more views, and also you want to learn more about the benefits of using tags on your videos, then watch this video right now to learn on how to do that. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video, you are going to see some similar videos, and also you are going to see some of my playlists. You can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because you know we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.